Good morning. Wait. Good afternoon. So I decided that I'm releasing the vlogs on Mondays now because it's exporting on my computer right now. That's the deal.
Basically.
Yeah. So run down for the rest of the night. Got my comm class. Dip out early that one and go rehearse before rehearsal for jazz. And a rehearsal for jazz at 9. To go home at 10:30 and finish some homework. Okay, bye. I wonder if this works for stale cookies. We'll see. Oh! Oh! I don't think that worked. It smells so bad. You have Febreze? What's it? Wait, no, I'm keeping it closed. It does not smell good.
I'm guessing you're not gonna eat the cookie.
I'm not gonna eat it. No, it's gonna taste terrible if it. Oh. Oh, it smells so bad.
It's definitely burnt.
Yeah. Wait, damn it.
Narcissistic.
Failed. That was a really bad idea. It smells really bad in here. That was a bad idea, right, Steven?
Yes. That's not.
Right here.
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah.
Right here.
Definitely.
No!
Stephanie tried on my clothes. What are those? Saggy and fly. Yeah, for sure. Alright, Steven and I are rearranging the furniture in our room. For some reason, I don't know, but this is kind of what it looks like in here right now. Yeah, it's definitely 11:45 at night. We usually go to bed in like...
To the break, I know.
We usually go to bed no earlier than in an hour. College. I'm just wanting some change, you know? Wanting some change. And also, it's Parents' Weekend, and Steven's mom and brother are here, but my moms are coming on Friday.
Yeah.
So I want it to be presentable. Tomorrow's cleaning day and laundry day.
Oh!
So, we'll see. This is all gonna be gone.
Sounds like...
Ooh, nice. Ooh, nice. Ooh, nice. Ooh, nice. Ooh, nice.
No.
So, this is kind of new, but I guess I'm gonna start playing video games right now. Does GameCube count? Like,
Yes.
we'll see. It's laundry day. You gotta wait. These people don't know how to take their stuff out though. It's 1 in the morning. We're gonna go see if Starbucks is open because I'm feeling some tea. Okay, so Starbucks was closed.
Midnight every night.
And the Wedge had a line outside. Wasn't about to wait in that.
Nope.
So heading back to the room.
And the futon.
Probably gonna like watch a movie or something with Steve-O. So,
To the break of dawn.
To the break of frickin' dawn, man. It appears that we now have
A futon.
oh yeah, and a TV thing. Optimal movie watching experience.
Seriously.
Works wonderfully. Hello. Hey.
Hey. Ah, you're so warm.
Hello. Mwah.
¿Qué te pasó?
Oh, my heart. My heart. Are those beans?
Guess what else?
More, what are those?
Guess what?
More beans? More beans? These aren't all for me, are they?
But you can. They're all for.
Okay. They got me pan de bono.
Not got made.
They
from our hearts.
made me pan de bono, and I'm wow. This is really close to my face. I can't. Okay, this is not gonna be a vlogging lens if I ever get one, but. Okay.